Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to Wild Style Collective with another sneaker unboxing and review. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Kobe 8 Protro What the Travis Scott Nike Zoom Field Jaxx Leche Blue, and the Jordan 4 White Cement. Go ahead and do the Kobe What Does first. Wow, these are dope. Wow, these are definitely a different kind of box. These are way different. Wow. Here we have the Kobe 8 Protro What the. I'm already impressed with the box alone. This is really cool packaging. I'm not even gonna lie. This is really fire. Whoo! Ooh, extra laces too. That's fire. I would have went for these pair too, but I actually have quite a few Kobe's already, as y'all saw in my previous video. So I need to go through those first, but man, this is fire. So fire. Let's see when this pair was made here. So I see this was made on, looks like September 11th, 2024 to September 19th, 2024. Okay, that's what's up. Ooh, a lot of cool little Easter eggs in here. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Whoa. The shoe just hit the button on the desk to elevate the desk. First time that's ever happened. Wow, look at this one right here. There's just so much going on. This is so fire. This kind of reminds me of the white cement, cement spatter. This is so fire. Let's see what we got on this one. One other snake there. Wow. That's cool. So this one has a little snake going around the tri logo there. That's really cool. Another cool little Easter egg. That's cool. So the Nike Kobe 8 Protro What the dropped on April 13th, 2025 for a retail price of $180. It also dropped with a jersey and some other gear. The jersey that also dropped with the What the Kobe 8s. Go ahead, open this out too. Okay, so on the back we have 24. We have a Nike swoosh stitched in. This feels pretty heavy. We got another Kobe logo there. We got the 8 also stitched in up here. And this is reversible, as you could probably tell. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the front. I think that's the back, and this is the front. Yeah. And the back is gonna match the left shoe. Pretty cool. So next we're gonna do the Travis Scott Nike Zoom Field Jaxx Leche Blue. Let's go. And I remember when these dropped, they were kind of just sitting on the site, so which works out for me, just because I don't want to put in too much work here. I'm glad I was able to secure the pair from my man's. Shout out Jaden. Got these for you, my guy. Pretty cool branding, fun colors. Yeah, big difference, you know. Cool. Oh, this is like construction paper. That's a first. Ooh. These are a lot nicer in hand, I should say. Oh, and soft. Oh, this feels nice. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, you got the little swoosh mouth. That's cool. Haven't seen that on a Travis Scott shoe. Low key. Think I should have went for these, man. These are really nice. I could actually see myself getting more rares now that I actually see it in hand. Very nice. I like these. Yep, a little pair of extra laces right there. That's what's up. Let's see when this pair was made here. So this pair was made July 31st, 2024 to October 29th, 2024. Okay, that's what's up. So the Travis Scott Nike Zoom Field Jaxx actually dropped on May 16th, 2025 for a retail price of $160. This is a brand new silhouette technically. It's a combination of two other shoes, the Nike Land Shark Cleat from the 90s and the Nike Air Zoom Spiridon. All right, let's move these a little bit more. All right, so let's go ahead and do the Jordan 4 White Cement. This is the box here. So I'm really happy. I feel like this might be the last Jordan 4 colorway I buy indefinitely. I'm done. This might be it. I might be done with this pair. Cut the show. So let's get into it. I'm excited. Yes, it's finally here, man. I finally got it. I think this is the final. This is the final Infinity Stone right here. This is the Avengers Endgame for me right here, man. Beautiful shoe. Jesus Christ. Always wanted this Jordan 4 and now I finally have it. So it's like, yeah, man, I think I'm pretty satisfied with the 4 collection. I got the military 4, I got the fire red 4, I have the bread 4, original and the reimagined. And yeah, I think this might be it here with that. So sizing guide, when you cop Kobe's, any Kobe really, even Kobe 8s, make sure you go a half size up. Rule of thumb, if you want to, they do run way more snug. You always want to go a half size up. That's just rule of thumb. I mean, I didn't make the rules. I know some people say you could have gone true to size on these old Kobe's back in the day. That was then. These new ones, you got to go a half size up. These, I believe you can always go to true to size with Travis Scott shoes. That's what I went ahead and did. Copped these for my brother-in-law, Jaden. Much love, G. And, you can always go true to size with all Jordan shoes, essentially. Retros, current ones, all that good stuff. They don't really got it. So let me know what you guys think. Sound off in the comments. Are these cops or drops? If it's your first time here, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see y'all on the next one. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.